This is Project Tembo, an E.C.D custom Defender 90. Tembo is painted in Keswick green with black and silver accents all round. Tembo sits on 16-inch Wolf wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features a full convertible cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, a NASA rear step and a silver finish. This D90 has a superb look, almost military-like. Inside, Project Tembo features a Momo steering wheel with vintage style gauges, wooden door handles, 2 Puma classic front seats and 2 inward facing benches in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in Cadence brown leather stitched together in a truffle brown. This D90 is powered by our 5.3 litre LC9 Vortec engine with 5-speed manual transmission for an authentic, although now extremely powerful drive. Tembo features the usual E.C.D modern conveniences such as CarPlay, JL Audio amplified sound system, wireless charging and Bluetooth audio with access to USB points throughout the vehicle. This is a superb example of a fully custom E.C.D vehicle built to retain the heritage look and feel.